OpenAI has announced the training of a new AI model, GPT-5, which promises to surpass even the remarkable capabilities of GPT-4. With mind-blowing improvements in accuracy, reasoning, and creative potential, GPT-5 is set to redefine our expectations of AI. But how much more powerful can an AI assistant truly get? Let's explore the potential features of GPT-5. Sophisticated search engines. GPT-5 has the potential to revolutionize search engines by making them smarter and more efficient. It will have an improved ability to understand the intent behind search queries, allowing it to interpret more complex and nuanced questions. For example, if you ask a detailed question, GPT-5 can break it down and understand exactly what information you're seeking. It can also remember previous interactions and use that information to refine future searches. This means that if you previously searched for flights while planning a trip, the search engine might suggest hotels or attractions at your destination in subsequent searches. Humanlike AI Assistance. One of the most anticipated advancements in GPT-5 is the enhancement of human-like AI assistance. With better language understanding and generation capabilities, GPT-5 is expected to hold more natural and coherent conversations. This improvement means AI assistants will be able to understand context and nuances more effectively, responding in ways that feel more like talking to a real person. The ability to detect and respond to emotional cues will also be a significant leap forward. If you're happy, sad, frustrated, or excited, GPT-5 will adjust its responses accordingly, creating a more empathetic and supportive interaction. This level of personalization will transform how users interact with technology across various domains, making it more engaging and helpful. Insane multimodal abilities. In May 2024, OpenAI unveiled GPT 4.0, which boasted enhanced abilities in text, voice, and vision processing compared to its predecessor, GPT-4 Turbo. GPT 4.0 represents a significant advancement, enabling natural conversations, image analysis, visual description, and complex audio handling. The addition of video processing is a logical step forward for GPT-5. Competitors like Google have already begun exploring this capability with their Gemini model, so it's likely that OpenAI will follow suit to stay competitive in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. Ultra-realistic video creation. With GPT-5, we can look forward to ultra-realistic video creation, where AI can generate videos depicting people saying or doing things they never actually did, with much higher accuracy and realism. This technology could revolutionize entertainment in educational fields by enabling the creation of incredibly lifelike characters in scenes. Filmmakers, game developers, and advertisers will benefit from high-quality visual content that can be produced more easily and at a lower cost. Video editing could become more efficient and precise, and GPT-5's capabilities could enhance VR and AR experiences by generating ultra-realistic environments and characters. This would make virtual experiences feel much more immersive and believable, with applications in gaming, training simulations, virtual tours, and more. Enhanced problem-solving abilities. GPT-5 is expected to bring enhanced creativity to problem-solving, offering innovative solutions that might not be immediately obvious. Whether it's helping with a complicated math problem, providing insights for a business strategy, or offering medical advice, GPT-5 will be able to tackle complex problems more effectively. It will understand and process complex information better than its predecessors, allowing it to provide more accurate and detailed answers. GPT-5's improved learning capabilities will enable it to adapt to new information quickly, staying updated with the latest trends, data, and research. This ability to incorporate new information into its responses will be invaluable in fields that require up-to-date knowledge, such as science and market analysis. Faster processing and increased efficiency. A major improvement anticipated in GPT-5 is faster inference speed, which means the AI will process and respond to queries more quickly. This reduction in latency, or the delay between a user's input and the AI's response, will make conversations with the AI much smoother and more responsive. It will feel more like talking to another person in real time, greatly enhancing the user experience. For example, when using AI for customer support, users won't have to wait as long for answers, leading to more satisfying and efficient service. In educational settings, students can receive immediate feedback and assistance, making learning more interactive and engaging. Faster response times will also benefit businesses that rely on AI for various tasks, such as content creation and data analysis, allowing for quicker idea generation, draft creation, and faster insights for decision-making. This improvement will be particularly valuable in high-stakes environments like financial trading, where milliseconds can make a significant difference. No hallucinations or biased responses. Sam Altman has confirmed that improving reliability will be a key focus for the development of GPT models over the next 2 years. Currently, if you ask GPT-4 the same question multiple times, you might get varying answers, with some being more accurate than others. Reliability has been a significant issue, and OpenAI has worked to address this with models like GPT-4 Turbo, which aim to improve consistency and accuracy. The current model, GPT-4, is 40% more accurate than its predecessor, GPT-3, and has fewer instances of AI hallucinations, incorrect or nonsensical responses generated by the model. For example, imagine using GPT-4 in a medical system to help diagnose illnesses by analyzing patient symptoms and medical reports. If the AI experiences a hallucination, it might confidently give an incorrect diagnosis or suggest a harmful treatment based on completely fabricated information. A wrong diagnosis could lead to unnecessary treatments, causing harm to the patient and potentially being life-threatening. Preventing hallucinations in AI is crucial, and with each new version, GPT models have become better at understanding context and generating accurate responses. We expect GPT-5 to continue this trend, further reducing errors and improving the quality of its interactions. OpenAI's announcement of GPT-5 marks an exciting advancement in artificial intelligence. GPT-5 promises to push the boundaries of what is possible with AI. These innovations will transform various industries, making AI-driven solutions more efficient, accurate, and impactful. As we eagerly await the release of GPT-5, it's clear that the future of AI holds incredible potential, and we are just beginning to explore the possibilities. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.